Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I am going to share with you a recipe coming from the category of sabji. This particular recipe is called long beans, also known as in the Indian market as Chawli, and it does have a lot of health benefits. Long beans is such a traditional vegetable that not just in India but also in other cultures it has been used widely in their cooking practices. So let's quickly get into the recipe. So here I have 300 grams of long beans which I have washed and chopped them nearly to 2 to 3 inches. In a saucepan on medium heat, I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of black sesame oil, then 2 broken bay leaves, little bit of asafoetida, hing, few curry leaves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute it well. Then added the long beans, mixed it a little bit. Added a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garam masala. Now covered it and cooked it on low heat for nearly 5 to 10 minutes. By that time we'll start preparing the sauce. Now I've taken 1.5 tablespoon of sesame oil again, a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts spluttering, then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, then 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. I'm going to cover it and cook until the tomatoes soften a little bit. Keep a check on these beans. Now here the tomatoes have become a little bit soft. I'm going to add a teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder. Mix everything well. Then a teaspoon of salt. Add a little bit of water. Cover and cook on low heat until the spices gets mixed with the tomatoes well. The tomatoes have become completely soft and the spices have blended well. So I'm going to mix now this with the beans. Going to add nearly 1 to 1.5 cup of water. Cover it and cook it on low heat for nearly 15 to 20 minutes. Check up on the beans like this in between, just to check whether the beans are ready or not. The color will change and also the beans will get softer. To check if the beans have cooked, you can just press one bean in between your finger. This is done. So I'm going to turn off the stove and then garnish it with fresh cilantro. These beans go really well with chapatis, so do try it. These beans are known very good for pregnant women and also for those people who suffer from diabetes. Besides that, it's always good to eat or add greens to your meal. Now I'll garnish it with some more cilantro. Place a tulsi leaf and offer it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. When you make this recipe, please let me know how it turned out. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.